Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How is your day? I hope you are enjoying your day. So, this is our another project which is how we can draw some shape in Scratch, okay? So, this shape in the sense like you can draw circle, you can draw rectangle, you can draw triangle, or you can draw other shapes, okay? For example, you want to draw pentagon, that also you can draw. If you want to draw the hexagon, that also you can do. So it's our choice what we wanted to do. Okay. Let me show you this project when I will run this project. So basically we have a circle, square and triangle and one star. Suppose I wanted to draw the circle. So if you will click on circle, this star will draw the circle. Okay. For example, I wanted to draw the square. So if you will click on square, you are able to get the square. If you will click on triangle, you are able to get the triangle. So this is our project that we are going to start today. Okay, it's very simple project. So let me show you all the thing how you will create it. Okay, so let's take a new project. Then I'm going to explain you. And if you are a very new here, what you can do, you have to first watch my previous video so that you are able to first join the Scratch. Then you need to create your user ID and password in order to sign in. Okay. Once you will sign in here, then you can watch my the basic videos like how to add sprites, how to add the backdrop, that basic things you can learn with my previous videos. Okay, if you want, I'm going to provide you the link. So with the help of that link, you are able to get it. So for our project, we will require four sprite. One is star. So instead of star, if you want any other thing, that also you can add. Suppose we added the star. Now we will require one circle. So if you will search for circle or search for button, we have it. So we want this button here, but if you want to write something inside this circle, just click on this costume option. We will try to take this option A. A means we want to, first you have to click on convert to bitmap or directly you can click on text. Just write circle. You can change the color of your circle. Let me take it little bit here. You can change the color. Suppose if you want to change the font size, that also you can add. So we added the first thing which is circle. Now we will search for two more buttons. One is, let me show you. Suppose this one, this is for example our square. Okay. Again, click on costume, add this text option, just write down square. Okay. And in the same way, we will try to add one more button, which is triangle. Click on costume, search for triangle. So we added these three things. One is circle, one is square, one is triangle. Okay. So after this, suppose we will require one backdrop also. So we need to just click on choose a backdrop. Suppose I wanted to add this blue sky. So we have this circle, we have this square, we have this triangle. Okay. So let's start the code. Code is very simple. We will click on circle first. Okay. So for circle, what we want, when we will click on the flag, we want one specific position of this circle. Okay. So it's very simple. We need to just click on event. When flag is clicked, first we are going to show this circle. So the show option you will get inside the looks. Click on the looks, little bit scroll down, you will get the show option. Okay. And then suppose this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. So we need to again go to the motion, add this value, go to x and y value. Okay. The next part, when we will click on the circle. So this is our another event. We need to go to the event, add it. When this sprite is clicked, we need to broadcast one message. So let me create one new message. So we are doing for circle. So we will write the name circle. Okay. So as you can see, when flag is clicked, we want these things. So the same thing we will repeat for square and triangle, but only we will do one changes. We will broadcast square for the square. We will broadcast triangle for the triangle. Let me drag and drop this, both the codes here. Okay, see, yes, we have this two codes. So this is a easy way how to copy and paste the code. You need to just drag and drop. Now suppose we want to create a new message. We are doing for square. So we will write the name square over here and press on OK button. So see, we have a square. Same thing we will do for triangle. So just copy, like drag and drop. So only one code is here. We will try to add the second one as well. Still it is not. Mm, wait. Okay, now we have this. So again, this is we are doing for triangle. So instead of square, we will create a new message. Write the name triangle. So we added this three thing. When flag is clicked, we want this triangle. Okay. Now if you will run the code. So now if you will click here. So as you can see, if I will click on square, see, you are getting the same position. Okay. So what we are going to do, we will take this square here. See what is the square x value, it's -9. So we are going to put that here. And this is the y1. Okay. Y is -109. Let me put it here. Okay. Now see, if I will click on circle, square and triangle, so we are getting the same position. Now what is the next part? If I will click on circle, this star will draw the circle. Okay. So that drawing part you will get over here. Like just click on extension, select pen. This is your extension. You have to click here, select pen. So you will get all this pen block. Okay. So what is the first part? We will just go to the event. We have to add when we will receive the circle. Okay. So what we are going to do, once we will receive the circle, we will try to print the circle. Okay. So it's very simple. It's very simple what we will do. When we will receive the message, for the very first thing, we are going to stop the previous one. Okay. So click on control, add stop other scripts. Okay. Like when we will receive it, we are going to first stop the other scripts. Okay. Then we will suppose we want to draw the circle here. Okay. So we will just go to the motion, add this position. Like for this position, I want to draw the circle. Okay. After that, we will erase the previous thing. So go to the pen, add erase all. After erasing all, we will just take our pen down in order to draw it. Okay. After pen down, we can set the pen size. Suppose I want little bit thick line, so we can add like 5. We can set the pen color for which color you want to draw the circle. Suppose I want that as a little bit red color. That how we will draw the circle, that is the main question. You need to go to the control. We have to repeat it 360 times. Why? Because what is the circle entire value is 360 degree. Okay. Every time it will just go to the motion, like what it will do, it will just move one step every time. So if you will click on circle, it is repeating 360 times, but it is moving one step. It is not taking the turn. What we want to take a turn of, for example, 1 degree. So first add move 10 step, then take a turn of 1 degree. Now see if I will click on circle. See how the star is drawing the circle with red color, and this is your pen size. Okay. So this is very simple how to draw the circle. Same thing we will do for square and triangle. So for square, what we will do, just duplicate it, okay? So that you will get the same thing. Once we will receive the square, this thing will be same. But we will do the changes here. Square means we need to repeat it 4 times, right? Every time, for example, we want a little bit big line. So just move forward with 100 step. We need to just go to the control. It will just wait for 1 second, and we will try to take a left degree or right degree of 90 degree, because if you know, for square every angle is 90 degrees. So if I will click on square, see it is repeating 4 times, and every time you are getting the 90 degree. So this is again very simple. Now we will try the third one, triangle. Let me copy and paste it. Okay. So what you need to do, just stop the video. Try this, the triangle by yourself. If you are able to do that, that is very good. Otherwise, you can again play the video and watch this part. Okay. So once you will receive the triangle, we want to do the same thing. So for triangle, it will repeat 3 times. Every time it will move forward with 100 step. And what is the each value angle of your triangle is 120. So just see. If you want to change the color for all, like for triangle, we want purple. For square, we want black. And for circle is red. So see, if I will click on circle, you are getting the red color with 360 degree. If I will click on square, you will get the square with black color. If I will click on triangle, so you will get triangle with purple color. So in this way, you can try for pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, like you can try any shape. Let me show you what you need to do the changes. Suppose I want to draw the pentagon. So pentagon is 5. Okay. And how you will divide your degree, like the total value is 360. If you will divide your 360 with 5. So 5 5s are 35. 1 is remaining. So 5 2s are 10. So each turn you will get about 52 degree. Let me run it. See, you are getting this pentagon, right? Okay. Suppose instead of 100, we want to move 200 so that you will get a very big pentagon. See, it is not in the scope, but you will get it. Same you can try for this one. Suppose you want hexagon. Hexagon is like total you have a 6 sides, so you will get 6 side. Let me just move 50 step. And what will be the hexagon value here? 6 divided with 360. Each degree you will get with 60 degree. Let me run it. So you will get a proper hexagon. See? So in this way, you can try for other shapes like heptagon or octagon. Any shape you can try. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. And more while whatever project you want to create, you can just mention in the comment section. So I'm going to create that project for you. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.